Guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Omar. This is Unboxing Life. I want to talk to you about a recent purchase I made for my son Harry. I realise there's not a box in this video, but here goes. So it's the usual morning in quarantine. There's plenty of places we'd all rather be, but hey, it's 2020, so we decided to clear out the shed and make some space for a package that I'd ordered a few days ago. I did wonder where it had got to, but eventually, 2 days later, as promised, it had arrived. Here guys, the Offspeed Renegade fully electric ATV. Opted for the 1000-watt brushless motor on this over the chained version for no maintenance. Another separate purchase was this trailer for £99, including delivery. Bargain! The quad comes with 2 sets of keys, which is really handy. You can keep one in the ignition and use the other small silver key to control the speed settings, 1 through to 3, which is really handy. So let's get this thing going. Here we are, Harry goes up in speed 2, really confident, full race gear on. I'll talk to you about that later in the video, where we get it from, what's involved and stuff, but pulling some skids there, going through the tyres. I'm really impressed with the overall look of the quad. It kind of looks a bit like a mini version of a Can-Am, if you know what one of those are. If not, look one up. Absolute beast of an ATV. So far so good. Harry's really confident on the quad. When it comes to this hill down the road from our house though, he doesn't really like to go too fast down it. I mean, it's quite a steep incline for any 4-year-old. He does go quite fast on his balance bike down it, but he's still just getting to grips with the sort of the more downhill sections on this quad. But yeah, he's still doing really well. That's the squeak from the all-round disc brakes you can hear. Hopefully they'll wear in over the next few hours' use. I hope loads of people watch our new YouTube channel, Harry. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is me and Harry on the Offspeed Renegade. Go on then Harry, let's see what it can do. Harry got a little bit upset then. He actually wants me to run and him chase me. So here goes. Okay, Harry, ready? Go! I'm going to try and run as fast as I can. Here he comes, here he comes. Here he comes. Oh! Off he goes. Still a little bit unsteady on the hills, the downhills, but I mean it is quite steep, isn't it, buddy? Can't really see the incline from the video, but it is pretty steep. Go on, buddy, you okay? That's it, good boy. Use them brakes. Just be careful. Still on speed 2, absolutely flying. Faster. Faster. Yeah, but not close to the edge. Turn, okay? Okay guys, we've reached speed 3 now. Hope this goes okay. How was that? How was that, Harry? He's just checking that he's on speed 3, but I'm not lying to him. Did it not feel fast enough for you? Right guys, while Harry's just having fun going around this car park that he loves to go around, I want to talk to you about Wolfsport International. It's where I picked up all Harry's safety gear for the quads. I'll run through this now. So with the Wolfsport jacket, great bargain. Full face helmet and gloves set, all from eBay. So you can pick it up in sets or you can pick it up individually. I picked it up all in the set, but they've got the suit separately. But yeah, it all fits really well. Sizes came good, and Harry loves to put it on, you know, get in the mood for going out on the quad. It all sort of matches in the black and green. So yeah, it all looks great price really for what it is. Lots of places to get this gear online guys, but I'll put some links in the description to help you out. But yeah, all in all, really good stuff. She must have been following us. Hi guys, this is our cat, one of our cats, Bella. Off she goes. Wants food, obviously.